Ever had one of those days where even your coffee looks disappointed in you? Your socks don't match, your Wi-Fi is slower than a carrier pigeon, and every email feels like a personal attack. Fear not, food is here to save the day. Science says some foods can actually lift your mood. And I say, well, science. I'll eat to that. Let's dive into the tastiest way to turn that frown upside down. Dark chocolate, the heartbreak healer. Remember that one breakup where you dramatically declared you'd never love again? Then a bar of dark chocolate whispered, "Shh, I got you." Dark chocolate contains serotonin-boosting compounds, meaning it's basically therapy but delicious. The antioxidants in it also reduce stress hormones. So next time life gets dramatic, just let chocolate handle it. Bananas, the smiley fruit. Ever seen a sad monkey? Exactly. Bananas are full of vitamin B6, which helps produce serotonin in your brain's happiness juice. They also have natural sugars and fiber, meaning they give you energy without the crash. So, if you're feeling low, grab a banana and pretend you're in a jungle adventure instead of, your messy apartment. Coffee, the liquid hug. You know that moment when you take your first sip of coffee, and suddenly life makes sense again. That's because caffeine blocks adenosine, the sleepy chemical in your brain, making you feel awake and alert. It also increases dopamine, aka the feel-good neurotransmitter. So yes, coffee doesn't just wake you up, it wakes up your soul. Nuts, the crunchy cheerleaders. Nuts are like tiny, crunchy best friends, hyping you up with their omega-3, fatty acids and magnesium. Feeling stressed? Almonds need brain power. Walnuts want a snack that won't judge you for eating an entire bag. Cashews, they stabilize blood sugar, which means no mood swings. So instead of texting your ex, just eat some nuts. Salmon, the brain's spa treatment. Your brain loves omega-3 stuff like your cat loves knocking things off tables. Salmon is loaded with these good fats, which improve brain function and reduce anxiety. It's basically a spa day for your neurons. So if life feels overwhelming, swap the stress for some sushi and let your brain chill out. Berries, nature's candy. Imagine if Skittles were actually good for you. That's berries. They're packed with antioxidants, which fight stress and inflammation. Plus, they taste like happiness in fruit form. Next time you're about to inhale a tub of ice cream, try a bowl of strawberries first. If nothing else, they make you feel fancy. Oats, the cozy comfort food. Oatmeal is like a warm hug from your breakfast bowl. It slowly releases energy, keeping you full and focused, which means no sudden hunger rage. Plus, it helps boost serotonin, so your mood stays as warm and cozy as your favorite hoodie. Pro tip, add some honey and cinnamon, and you've basically created happiness. Yogurt, the gut's best friend. Did you know your gut is basically your second brain? And sometimes, it makes more noise than your first one. Yogurt is packed with probiotics that keep your gut bacteria happy, which in turn keeps you happy. So when your stomach is calm, your mood follows. Also, it's a great excuse to eat something creamy without guilt. Eggs, the MVP of mood. Eggs are the overachievers of the food world. They've got choline good for brain health, protein keeps you full, and vitamins that help boost mood. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, eggs are here to remind you that life is full of possibilities, even on a Monday. Spinach, the superhero leaf. Okay, I know who gets excited about spinach. But hear me out, it's full of folate, which helps fight depression. Popeye wasn't just strong, he was probably super happy too. Blend it in a smoothie, throw it in your pasta, just get it in there. Your brain will thank you. So next time life feels like a bad sitcom, don't despair, just grab a snack. Whether it's chocolate, coffee, or a bowl of berries, your mood is just a bite away from a comeback. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a very important date with a bar of dark chocolate.